Hello everyone, David here with another unboxing or unpacking in this case. Let's see what we got today. And I think I know what it is. Should be a belt. I ordered this on Amazon. And let's see. Step number 1, cut to size. Step number 2, attach buckle. Step number 3, close tab to lock. Step number 4, taking it off, open the buckle and pull the belt. Thank you for choosing JINIU. Any problems, concern? There it is. I'm gonna put that right there. It's a nice little velvet pouch that it comes with. Then of course I will need it because I could use this for something else. But this is what I need. And this was it was military style. And it does look like a military belt. The thickness is perfect. I've seen some thin ones out there. And this, oh, it's got a little latch. I like that. Not every belt has a latch to secure it. I've had some name brands that when you're a little bit overweight, you kind of pinch it on and it comes undone. This piece right here. Wow, this is really tight. And of course you can adjust your belt to size and then trim it, but this holds pretty well right here. And it's got nice little end right there. And of course this is pretty big. I'm not that big, but this is my, I hope to be size. I'm probably like around here. So very impressed. I mean, now it's in place. You're never gonna bend strong enough to make that happen. So that's a good sign that it's a good belt. So usually the most, see, I'm pulling really hard on this, as you can see. There we go. I could make it happen, but it's never gonna come undone. And it's metal. It's got a little bit of weight to it. The material, I'm assuming, is just metal, like a nickel maybe. And of course, if this breaks, it's easier to replace. But I'm really impressed with the belt itself. It looks really good. And of course, let me go around my waist here. Yeah, so I won't have to do any trimming because this belt is almost my size. So this is where it will be. And I'll have this much left over. And for those of you who are wondering how long this thing is, I have a little fabric measure here. It's 51.5 inches. Right there. 51.5. I don't know if you can see this, guys. 51.5. So I'm really happy with it. I've had one of my belt that I got on. I've needed a replacement for quite a while, and this thing lasts forever. They're pretty good. It stays there, so it's pretty good. This is my regular belt that I've had. It's about the same thickness of my regular buckle. Thickness of the belt, same. So it's a good replacement for it, and it's even longer than my original belt that I have on. So, and this is a name brand, but this is what happens to them after a while. But I've had this for over a couple of years. So you buy a belt, you will get your money's worth. And this is priced really good. So this one has a clip right there. My expensive doesn't. So I hold on to this clip because it's got sentimental value. It was a gift a long time ago. So I only use this most of the time. But I like this one because of the fact that it has this clip. So I'll probably put my old one away in somewhere safe where I won't lose it. But it's gonna be replaced by my new belt. And it's made by JINIU. It's pretty good. And this I could use for something else, like maybe put some small stuff in it for camera gear, and this will work perfect. Keep it all in one place. Thank you for watching.